Imagine you're a sponge diver in the year 1900, plunging into the crystal-clear blue waters off Antikythera, a remote and windswept Greek island nestled between Crete and the Peloponnese. The sun glimmers above, but below the surface, a world of mystery awaits. You descend deeper, your heavy suit creaking, surrounded by the silence of the Mediterranean, searching for sponges to bring back to your village. Amidst the rocks and swaying marine life, you suddenly spot the remains of a shipwreck, its cargo scattered across the seabed. Marble statues, fragments of pottery, and a strange, corroded lump of bronze catch your eye, half buried among the stones and sand. The scene is both haunting and mesmerizing, a silent testament to a long-lost world. At first glance, this lump seems unremarkable, just another relic from the depths. But little do you know, this object will upend everything we thought we knew about the capabilities of the ancient world. It is a puzzle that will baffle and inspire generations. This is the story of the Antikythera Mechanism, a device that would become one of archaeology's greatest enigmas, and a window into the genius of ancient minds. Salvaged from the wreck of a Roman-era cargo ship lost around 60 BC, the device lay undisturbed beneath the waves for nearly 2,000 years. The ship itself was a time capsule, its treasures preserved by the sea, waiting for the right moment to be revealed. When the bronze lump was first brought to the surface, it was dismissed as little more than a curiosity, but as it dried and split open in a museum laboratory, conservators were astonished to find a bewildering array of interlocking gears, dials, and inscriptions hidden inside, evidence of a level of craftsmanship no one expected from the ancient Greeks. The device, painstakingly built in the 2nd century BC, contained gear trains as sophisticated as those found in 19th century clocks, over 1,000 years ahead of its time. Its complexity suggested a forgotten chapter in the history of science and technology, one that challenged everything we thought we knew about the ancient world. Some skeptics suspected a hoax, unable to believe such advanced engineering could have existed so long ago. But rigorous scientific analysis, using X-rays, 3D imaging, and chemical tests, confirmed its ancient Greek origin beyond any doubt. The discovery raised profound questions that still echo today. Who built this extraordinary device? What was its true purpose? Was it the work of a lone genius, or the product of a lost tradition of scientific knowledge? And if such a marvel could be lost for centuries, what other wonders from the ancient world have slipped through the cracks of history, waiting to be rediscovered? The Antikythera Mechanism became a mystery that would challenge and captivate generations of scientists, engineers, and historians, inviting us to look deeper into the past and to question just how much we truly know about the ingenuity of those who came before us. What was this device? When it was first discovered, encrusted and broken at the bottom of the sea, no one could have imagined the secrets it held. Its corroded gears and cryptic inscriptions baffled even the most seasoned archaeologists. After decades of painstaking study and technological advances, we now know the Antikythera Mechanism is the world's first known analog computer, a marvel of ancient ingenuity, centuries ahead of its time. By turning a simple hand crank, an ancient user could set in motion a complex web of gears, allowing them to predict the positions of the sun, the moon, and the 5 visible planets with astonishing accuracy. It modeled the heavens mechanically, tracking lunar irregularities and predicting eclipses using sophisticated epicyclic gearing. This device could even account for the subtle variations in the moon's orbit, something that would challenge even later astronomers. Its dials tracked the Metonic cycle, a 19-year period crucial for aligning lunar and solar calendars, and even recorded the timing of the ancient Olympic Games, linking science, timekeeping, and culture in one extraordinary artifact. The mechanism's precision rivaled that of modern clockmakers, revealing a level of Greek engineering and astronomical knowledge previously thought impossible for the ancient world. Its complexity suggests a lost era of scientific achievement. The Antikythera Mechanism wasn't the work of a lone genius, but the culmination of generations of knowledge, crafted by skilled artisans and engineers working together in a vibrant tradition of mechanical innovation. Today, its weathered fragments serve as a humbling reminder that history isn't a simple upward march. Sometimes, entire fields of knowledge vanish, leaving behind only enigmatic clues, silent witnesses to the brilliance and mystery of lost civilizations. The mechanism's discovery was just the beginning of the puzzle. What survived was only a fraction, 82 corroded fragments with much of the original device missing. Reconstructing it was like trying to understand a shattered smartphone from a handful of pieces. The surviving gears and inscriptions offered clues, but the planetary gearing was almost entirely lost. For decades, scholars proposed models, but none could fit all the evidence or the physical constraints of the box. The mechanism was an integrated system. Every gear had a purpose, every tooth was calculated. Without the missing parts, the full genius of the design remained out of reach. A new approach was needed, one that could bridge the gap between evidence and imagination. The 21st century brought a breakthrough advanced imaging technology. In 2005, scientists used a massive X-ray machine to scan the fragments, revealing the hidden gears and thousands of previously unreadable inscriptions. These inscriptions acted as a user manual, explaining the device's functions and astronomical displays. Digital data allowed researchers to create accurate models and physical replicas, confirming the mechanism's functions for the sun, moon, and eclipses. Yet, the planetary gears remained missing. The X-rays couldn't reveal what no longer existed. The puzzle was still incomplete. Technology had given us a blueprint of the surviving parts, but the heart of the mechanism, the planetary system, remained a mystery. To solve it, researchers needed a tool that could think beyond the available evidence. Enter artificial intelligence. A team at University College London turned to AI to tackle the missing gears. The Antikythera Mechanism, an ancient Greek device, had long puzzled scientists with its intricate design and missing components. The challenge was to reconstruct a mechanism that had been lost to history for over 2 millennia. They fed the AI all known constraints: gear counts, fragment dimensions, inscriptions, and ancient Greek astronomical models. This data was crucial for the AI to understand the parameters within which it had to operate. The AI's task: design a gear system that fit the evidence and the tight confines of the original box. It had to be precise, as even a small error could render the entire mechanism non-functional. It cycled through countless combinations, guided by Greek mathematics and physical reality. The AI had to consider every possible configuration, testing each one against the known data. The breakthrough came when the AI devised a compact, elegant system that no human had imagined. This innovative design was both a testament to ancient ingenuity and modern technology. The solution was mathematically coherent and mechanically plausible, filling in the missing 2/3 of the mechanism. This was a significant leap forward in our understanding of ancient technology. The AI synthesized metal fragments, faint inscriptions, and ancient texts into a unified theory. It was able to piece together clues that had baffled researchers for decades. The ghost in the machine was brought back to life, digitally, at least. This digital resurrection allowed scientists to explore the mechanism in ways that were previously impossible. For the first time, the Antikythera Mechanism's full design was within reach. This achievement not only shed light on ancient Greek engineering, but also showcased the power of modern AI in solving historical mysteries. The AI's digital model was a revelation. It reconstructed the cosmos panel, a geocentric display with Earth at the center, surrounded by rings for the sun, moon, and 5 planets. The model showed how the mechanism used intricate epicyclic gears to replicate the planet's complex, retrograde motions. This matched the astronomical cycles described in the inscriptions, confirming the model's accuracy. The AI revealed the Greeks' deep understanding of planetary cycles and their ability to engineer a machine to calculate them. The design was so efficient it solved the packaging problem that stumped previous reconstructions. The mechanism embodied the Greek worldview, a universe governed by order and mathematics. Turning its crank was to witness the harmony of the cosmos as imagined by ancient minds. The AI breakthrough has forced a fundamental reassessment of ancient technology. The Antikythera Mechanism, now fully understood, shatters the idea that complex gearing emerged only in the Middle Ages. It proves a tradition of precision engineering existed over a millennium before Europe's cathedral clocks. The mechanism hints at lost workshops, skilled engineers, and a society that valued scientific instruments. For scientists, the AI reconstructed gear system is a masterclass in ancient problem-solving. The UCL team now plans to build a replica using ancient methods, testing the limits of Greek engineering. The Antikythera Mechanism is a humbling lesson. Knowledge can be lost, and history is far less linear than we imagine. Today the Antikythera Mechanism continues to inspire wonder. It's more than an artifact, it's a testament to humanity's drive to understand the cosmos. The story of its discovery, study, and digital resurrection is a triumph of curiosity and collaboration. The mechanism bridges ancient philosophy and modern technology, making abstract science tangible. Replicas and new models will inspire future generations to explore science, engineering, and history. The Antikythera Mechanism reminds us that genius is timeless, and profound mysteries still await discovery. Its light, once hidden in the depths, now illuminates our understanding of the past, and our vision for the future.